everywhere we went, you would think the view couldn't get more beautiful.
Rows after rows of vineyards lined by beautiful cypress trees.
It's the most beautiful place I've seen in my life.
One of the things that I loved about this trip is that it felt like every experience was created and curated for us. So everything felt very special. I thought the villa was amazing.
Meeting the other women, it's as if we knew each other for a few weeks already. A bond was made between us.
I will remember the never-ending wine at majority of the meals, which was accompanied by good people and never-ending laughter.
I loved that we had cheese at every meal. Cheese and salami. I really liked our pasta that we made. It was so much fun to make, and then it was delicious.
And the fried zucchini flowers was beyond fabulous.
The truffle hunt with the dog, it was wonderful to see him work. It was very exciting. It's not something that you see every day. The farmers, the people that work so hard, they welcomed us with open arms. They're beautiful people, strong women. I was very touched.
We felt more so like an extension of the family than a visitor coming in from the outside or a tourist.
I look back and think I had so much fun. We just built really great friendships that I know that I will keep after this trip.
Being a solo female traveler is great, but there's something that is indescribable whenever you're able to travel with other women that have the same mindset as you when it comes to traveling and want to see the world and get to make those memories together.
If you like Italian food, Italian wine, the people, everybody's so nice, so friendly. I loved it. I love Tuscany. I recommend it.